Takeover strategies and defective tactics. What is this? The meaning of takeovers. Acquisition is a takeover if a process of acquisition is unfriendly. Friendly acquisition. A two-person came together and agreed that okay, I will take this company and you give. Okay, this is normal takeover. Hostile takeover. Ah, the who is a major shareholder? This person. Who is a minority shareholder? This person. Okay. To who is a friend? Major shareholder. Minor shareholder is not our friend. So he hold 35. He hold 65. Buy the 65 and control this company. That is takeover. Takeover strategy techniques. Street V, beer hug, strategic alliance, and brand power. So one brand power is taking one other brand and controlling its brand. A strategic alliance. So we want to win this market. So to win this market, we want your alliance. That is strategic alliance. Beer hug and street weep. Street weep is nobody should be our competitor. We will taking out all our street competition. That is street weep. Beer hug is like a pleasure thing. I will say, Viknut. Next, take wait, wait. So in this the beer hug na, what happens? A price is market price is 100 rupees na. They are ready to pay 150 rupees. So higher price. They want that company, so they buying in a high price. That is beer hug. So take over defensive statics. What is that? Divestiture, crown, jewels, poison pill, poison food, green main, white knight, white square, golden parachute, Pac-Man defense. These are the takeover defense strategy. You will see one thing. Like that. Now, what is this divestiture? Divestiture, na, the company sell off the valuable part of the business to make itself attractive to acquire company. So it's a less attractive. Sir, if someone going to take over, why he is want to take over? Because of this asset he want to take over. Sell that asset. That is thing. Crown jewel. Company sell off or transfers more valuable asset to friendly party, make it take over less attractive. Say this company is controlling one patent. Okay, this patent is more valuable. So if I transfer this patent right to some company, even though they take over this company, there's no use. That is crown jewel, preventive measure. Poison pill. What is it? Company issue new share discount to existing shareholders to dilute the ownership of the acquiring company and make it take over expensive. Hey, I want to buy 10,000 share. If I give 5 shares for each bonus shares and for every share, you will come 10,000 to 50,000 share. Now you want to pay more. Uh, Poison put sharing. The company issues bond with a clause that allows bondholder to demand immediate repayment if takeover occurs and increasing financial burden on the acquirer. Why is that? Hey, I don't want to make this costly as issuing share. I have another strategy. What? Sir, we will have this company. Okay. But what we will give, we will issue debentures. Okay. The debenture clause is whenever someone take over this company, before getting into new ownership, they should clear of all this debt. Ah, but what they will get this money? They will get this money and invest in something. Hey, this is poison put. Green mail, what is it? The company buy back its share at premium for the hostile bidder to prevent takeover. Say, why you are going to buy my shareholders? Okay. What I will do? I know only 25 percentage of the shares you can buy. As a takeover, you can buy. This 25 percentage, I know who are willing to buy. I will buy in a premium price. What? If I buy in the premium price, nobody will sell to you. Ha ha ha. That is green mail, not black mail, green mail. White light. The company look for friendly company to acquire it instead of hostile bidder. Say, I don't want to stay, you to take over my company. I know someone. I'm in a problem right now. I will ask him to take over my company, so you won't have the money to take over other shareholders. And that is white knight. White square. What is square? A friendly takeover investor to is given a significant stake in the company to block the hostile takeover without taking full control. So I know. I have some shares and many of the other has shares. But what we can do, we want investor. So if we have an investor that he has a substantial share but don't have the control, then what happens? He gives a control board of director to me, but he has to acquire the name. So I have the board control. Even though they take over the share, the board will be in my control. That is white share. Golden parachute. What is this? The company offers large compensation packages to execute. If they are removed from after takeover, make it expensive for the acquiring company. Hey, what do you do? So I am the director. Okay. I have now I having all the directors. I if this person is taking over my company, what will happen? They want to remove the director and fill the director. They won't director control it. But they having lesser share. But I'm having a director control, board of directors. I'm under control. So I'm making an amendment in the AGM, setting that if anyone going to replace the directors, they need to pay a lump sum compensation, huge compensation to replace the board within the interim period of the director. That is. Then Pac-Man defense, what is that? A target company counter attacks by taking acquiring hostile bidder instead. What you going to take over my company? What I'll do? I have some influence. I will take over your company and stop this takeover. Ha, ha, ha. This is Pac-Man defense. So these are the kind of defenses you need to know regarding what takeover defense strategy. Thank you.